This is Motorola Moto G53, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls on this device. So, to begin with, the first step you need to take is to check whether you have any linked Google accounts over here at the Google category of settings. If you have any, just tap over here, go into manage accounts on this device option, and remove all the accounts that you have over here one by one, or all Google accounts, should I rather say. So once this step is out of the way, and you have no Google accounts added, we can start the actual setup by going into Parental Controls section of Google, Get Started, Child Routine, Next. Then go for the Add or Create Account for a Child option and sign into the child's Google account. It is kinda apparent, but I figured worth mentioning that the child has to not know the password to the used Gmail account, since if they do, they will be able to effortlessly bypass and turn off the parental controls at their will. So, enter the email address. Then enter the password. Onwards, proceed with the Google sign-in as you would normally do. Then choose the account that we have just signed into from the list over here. And now we gotta start entering the credentials for the Google account that will be used for parenting, or that you will use as a parent for supervising your child's activity. So enter email address, then password. Onwards, once parent's account gets checked, scroll the About Supervision page all the way down, and at this password field, enter the child's Google account password one more time, and then tap at the Agree button. At the following pop-up window, go for the Allow option and wait for the child and parent Google accounts to get linked together. Onwards, click Next. In here you can turn off some of the apps you do not want your child to have an access to, but you will be also able to do that later on. So in case you are looking to finish the setup sooner, you can just skip the step entirely. The same applies for the filters, settings, and content restrictions page. And from here, if the device that is written in a bold font is the one that you will use as parent, you can tap at the blue Install Family Link button, and the required Play Store app will get automatically downloaded and installed on your supervisor's or parent's device. But you can also, no problem, do that manually. That's the more, generic approach, I would say, since it will work for anyone practically, so that's why I'll go for it myself. So at the child's end, all the preparations were successfully finished. So now take your parent's device, open up the Play Store, and download the Family Link app. Okay, not Family Island, Family Link. So just wait a little bit for this tool to get downloaded and installed. As you will see, that does not take a lot of time whatsoever. Then, once installed, launch the Family Link app. Make sure to log into Google account that you have earlier identified as parents. Do not mess the account up. And inside the Family Link application, you can do a lot of useful stuff. For example, set the daily usage limits for your child's device, set up the downtime routine, turn on and turn off the certain applications, or perhaps restrict the access to them, or set the usage limits for any applications that you want, and as well as this page also allows you to monitor and see your child's app activity. Then you can apply content restrictions, age restrictions for certain applications like Google Play, YouTube, and so on. Configure account settings, manage the devices if you have multiple added. See your child's location at all times, but for that you'll have to separately enable the location access on your child's phone, and also check your child's or family device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be exhaustively it as far as setting up parental controls goes. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.